Hey guys, James Sane. So in today's tutorial, there's a number of different special effects. So we're going to break it up into two separate videos. This first video will be real quick, the color correction in Premiere Pro on a Windows computer using Mike Roberts Color Corrector. Now, if you need more detailed information about that, I have a separate video step by step if you want to use the auto function or if you have to use manual function and really get into the knobs and dials of the color correction. And the second part, if you want to add a tutorial on if you want to add a light inside a box, like if you're, in this case, we're opening up an iPhone box and I want a light emanating out from that box. The follow-up tutorial will be the actual color change on the shirt. A couple different ways of changing the shirt color. One, you can change it the color within reason, and the second way, you can get the exact color that you want. All right, so let's get to the video. All right, so we're going to try to do a color change on a shirt. Not that this is part of the tutorial, but let me tweak the colors here real quick. So I'll go to my effects. I've already installed Mike Roberts Color Corrector. I have a video on that if you want to see that. This is under Video Effects, Color Correction, and Mike Roberts. So we'll drag that onto here. And then we'll go over to the Mike Roberts. Oh, what's the name of my great? Okay, so that's it. So we'll just say find card in frame. See how well that does. Yeah, I like that. That's good color. All right, so let me save that. Okay, now we'll go back to fit screen and let's get to. All right, so she comes in, she sees her new iPhone. And we're going to add a glow effect to that too. So let me get to the point for the glow effect. I'll come back right. All right, so right there, I'm going to put a cut there. I'm going to put a glow effect. And then when she takes it out of the box, we'll stop the glow effect. Much when we can't see that. Where do I want to stop the glow effect? Maybe she starts to pick it up there. I'll diminish it. Okay, that's why it went away. All right, so under the effects panel, I'm going to type in lens flare. There we go, lens flare. Let's put that there. Okay, so we'll come back to the beginning. Let's spread this out a little bit. So I need to move this obviously to inside the box. Here's the center of the lens flare, and we're going to change the brightness of it. So here we are. Flare center, I'm just going to grab it and slide it over. It's going to be about the center of the box. I'm going to grab this and slide it down. Put that right on top of the phone. Let's try out 105 prime. Maybe. Let's see what a 35 millimeter prime looks like. Nope, don't like that one. So these are going to be the 50 to 300. I think I like the 105 prime better. All right, and so now we're going to put on some keyframes on the brightness, the center, and blend with original. We'll see about that. Okay, so I want to start out one frame there. All right, now let's turn our keyframes on for center, brightness, and blend with original. We'll come forward one frame, and then where the box is barely open, I'm going to put that up to 21%. Come up again. We're going to double it maybe to 40%. Let me just type in 40. Come forward another frame. Make this 80%. Come forward 2 more frames, 3 more frames, and make this 100%. Okay. So I like that. Now as we go on, let's make the time frame a little smaller. We might need to, as she puts the box in front of it, we need to add some realism to it. As she puts the box in front, now let's bring that brightness down about 74%. And as the box passes in front, we're going to drop that down to almost nothing. And then as the box continues past, we'll come back up on the brightness. And the box continues past, higher on the brightness. Oh, certainly don't want to go past 100%. One more frame, then we'll be to 100%. Okay, so I like that. All right, so now she picks it up. Let's spread this out, come back a little bit. So just as her hand starts to go over, right there, we've got to come back down on the brightness. Maybe not that much, maybe 80%. Go forward a frame or two. Bring it down to 60%. Go forward a frame or two. Bring it down to 50%. Go forward a couple of frames. And let's raise the center point up. Get it back there right up by her finger. And then we'll come down to 40%. And go forward a frame or two. And then it's off. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Alright, so we get a little realism when the box passes in front. Okay, I like that. Alright guys, so there's the first tutorial. The second will follow regarding the color, the changing the color of the shirt. Now, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. It would help my channel. And if you found the information helpful or useful, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do, remember to turn on notifications so that you don't miss when the next video comes out. Alright guys, thanks so much. We'll see you on the next video.